Hello my fellow eggheads, this is Liz. I'm a certified technician and today we're going to be discussing how to connect your wireless Skullcandy earbuds to your Acer computer. So first we're going to navigate over to that start button. It's in the bottom left hand corner. Some people call it the Windows logo. And you're going to go ahead and you're going to click on it, and then you're going to navigate to the settings pinwheel and click on that. And then we're going to go into devices. Make sure no other headset is connected. Like it says, those just say pair, they don't say connected. I'm going to hit add Bluetooth. Once I've opened up that screen, now I'm ready to get my device ready. I open the case, take them out, put them back in. Then I close the case, open it back up. Once they're both lit up red, take them out and close the case. You might have to do this a couple times. I found that it took a couple tries to get it to work, but once it starts blinking like that, you know you are ready to pair. So go ahead and try it. Now back to the computer. Hit Bluetooth, and as you see, my Skullcandy earbuds pop up. I click on that, and then it connects them. And as you can see in the Bluetooth and other devices, it says connected. Now going over to this little speaker, I'm going to make sure that it's selected, expand the box. See, my headset is selected, not my computer speaker. So if you find it's not putting audio out, this can be why. It could be that you need to manually go in and select your Skullcandy earbuds. So as you can see, it's the only headset connected, it's the correct speaker selected, so I'm good to go. Side note, if you still can't connect, go onto your phone, disconnect your Bluetooth, because it could be that your headphones are connected to your phone, so they won't connect to your computer.
Thank you for your continued support of our channel, both through subscribing and through Patreon. Also, big shout out to our fellow eggheads who have purchased merchandise through our store. Also a shout out to Pinion Designs, whose talented designers crafted this merchandise for us. This is not a paid endorsement, we're just really impressed with their work. So you can go ahead and visit their website by clicking on the link in the description down below. But anyway, from one egghead to another egghead, this is Liz signing out.